Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Black and White. First, power on your Nintendo DS and select the game from the menu. You'll soon meet Professor Juniper and choose your first partner Pokémon, Snivy, Tepig, or Oshawott. Each has distinct strengths. Use the D-pad to move your character around the Unova region. Talk to everyone you meet. They often provide valuable tips or give you useful items to help you on your quest. As you journey through Unova, you'll explore diverse environments, from bustling cities to serene forests. Wild Pokémon will appear in tall grass or caves, triggering a battle. During combat, choose moves from your Pokémon's arsenal, aiming to reduce the opponent's HP. Once a wild Pokémon's health is low, select a Pokéball from your bag to attempt a capture. Building a diverse team is key to success. After each battle, your Pokémon earn experience points, which contribute to leveling up. As they gain levels, their stats like attack and speed will increase, and they might learn powerful new moves. Keep an eye on your Pokémon's level. Many will evolve into more powerful forms once they reach a certain level. Some might require specific items or conditions to evolve, so experiment and explore to discover all possibilities. To become the champion, you must defeat 8 gym leaders across Unova, earning a badge from each. These badges grant you access to new areas and allow your Pokémon to obey you at higher levels. Strategically build a team with a variety of Pokémon types to ensure you have an advantage against any opponent you might face. Remember to check the description for a link to those meal prep containers and other great deals. Mastering type matchups and team composition is crucial for victory in the Pokémon League.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.